Welcome. Today we are exploring the concept of business value, specifically through the lens of customer-centric transformation. We will discuss how to align your Agile transformation efforts directly with what matters most: value for the customer. Many organizations fall into a common trap. They adopt Agile rituals like daily stand-ups and sprints, but they remain a feature factory. They focus intensely on output, measuring success by how many features they ship, rather than solving actual customer problems. This leads to disconnected teams building things nobody wants. So, what exactly is business value? It is often misunderstood as just immediate revenue. However, true business value is a combination of commercial value, which is profit, customer value, which is satisfaction and utility, and future value, which ensures innovation and sustainability. Neglecting customer value eventually destroys commercial value. To transform, we must shift our mindset from outputs to outcomes. Outputs are things like lines of code or story points completed. Outcomes are the results of those outputs, such as changed user behavior or solved problems. We need to stop asking, "Did we build it?" and start asking, "Did it work?" It sounds simple, but you must define who the customer is. It is the human being at the end of your pipeline. To deliver value, we need to move beyond generic requirements and understand their specific pain points and the jobs they are trying to get done. Agile is fundamentally about feedback loops. We use the build, measure, learn cycle. You build a minimum viable solution, measure how customers use it with real data, and then learn from that data to decide whether to pivot your strategy or persevere. Without measuring, you are just guessing. A great tool for this is empathy mapping. It helps teams walk in the customer's shoes. By mapping out what a user says, thinks, does, and feels, we gain a holistic view of their experience. This uncovers hidden frustrations that quantitative data might miss. Organization structure matters. Traditional silos like separate design, dev, and quality assurance departments slow down value delivery. Instead, we should align cross-functional teams around the value stream. This means a single team has all the skills needed to take an idea from concept to cash. Stop using vanity metrics like velocity or lines of code. These can be easily gamed and don't reflect success. Instead, adopt value metrics like Net Promoter Score, retention rate, and cycle time. These indicators tell you if you are actually delivering value to the market. In conclusion, remember that Agile is not the goal itself. Delivering value to the customer is the goal. Agile is simply the vehicle to get you there. By focusing on outcomes, understanding your customer, and measuring what matters, you can achieve true business agility.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.